Hey, my guy be now.
I don't observe you. The way you dey take dey waka up and down. Wetin you dey find?
Guy, whether this be this house or this one.
Which house? This house or this one?
Yes.
Wetin you dey use AC do?
Get one update wey dey down You see that AC water? They sell am.
Body go tell you now.
Na better update o.
Wetin happen?
Make I follow you now.
Follow me go get. No follow me
Omo like this na make I follow you hustle the hustle o.
Try no follow me
Hey, na good
I
update
just go beg you no follow me
See, chop alone, die alone
No
o.
follow me Why they follow me now? No follow me.
They want peace.
Can't be that one.
Make I follow you now.
Wetin dey worry you now? I say make you no follow me.
Wait now, abeg na why you dey do all these things now?
Hey, bro, abeg, wait. Abeg, I wan ask una something, abeg. I dey look for number 35 at Turumbu Street.
Number 35 Tinubu.
You dey want?
See if you don't enter right here now, turn right again, then you enter left.
Yes, I go enter right.
Yes.
Another right.
Yes.
Then I go turn left.
Yeah, wow.
Jesus.
Okay.
Sorry, you dey use AC?
Yeah, they use AC.
Hey, thank God. Wetin you dey use the water?
Wetin they use water? AC water.
You no use am do anything. Why?
How they use am do anything?
You no use am do anything.
No.
Mommy, slow.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
Which kind of problem?
Wetin I do for my car?
Wetin dey do for you?
No, how una take enter my car?
Are you mad? Why you dey follow me? Now why you dey follow me? Which kind of problem?
Update you give me now, na chop and
Wetin I
chop.
do for my car? Una take enter my car.
See, na that AC water I dey follow you.
Wetin they use the water do?
Eh, na say we dey sell am o.
See wetin boss, why you dey?
Una go down for my car. Come down.
Let me talk up.
Guy, wetin dey do you now?
No update you give me now.